This is Andrew Bosin. I'm a tech startup attorney located in New Jersey, just outside of New York City. Represent tech startups across the U.S. I focus on the business contracts that startups need from inception to getting clients to exit. So let's talk about inception. I'm also a SaaS entrepreneur. I've built 2 SaaS companies with partners as the general counsel. So not only do I draft, business formation documents, founders agreements, investor agreements, Delaware C Corp agreements for clients, I've done it for myself as the general counsel. I give advice about, how much stock to issue to founders, how much should vest up front, how to optically make your startup look good for investors with vesting, bylaws, your board of directors. I help you with investor agreements, safes. I also help you with your customer agreements, starting with your website terms of service, your privacy policies, and your subscription agreement. I'll also throw in an NDA. So if you're going to talk about having a company use your software or technology, at least it's somewhat protected. I also do software app development agreements. A lot of people are building apps. I highly recommend that you put in place, negotiate a software app development agreement, which deals with payment, terms of the agreement, termination, breaches, warranties, milestones, making sure that you own all the intellectual property when you have a SaaS or mobile app built. I also draft reseller agreements, joint venture agreements, IP licensing agreements. I take a very pragmatic approach to helping my tech startup clients. A lot of it comes from being a trial attorney and thinking prospectively about what could go wrong and building that into the agreement with plain English terms, and also being an entrepreneur for about the last 10 years. And, really building and scaling technology companies with partners has really given me the ability to relate to startups in terms of how to raise capital, how to make your money stretch, how to build and scale your company. If you're a tech startup company, no matter where you're located across the U.S., if you need help with your business contracts, please call me Andrew Bosin for a free consult at 201-446-9643.